Xylitol is deadly. It's also known as birch sugar. It's a common sweetener, found in sugar-free gum, mints, and peanut butter. Also in toothpaste, mouthwash, and baked goods. Always check for it on labels. If your dog ingests xylitol, watch for vomiting, weakness, or lethargy. Watch for tremors, seizures, or collapse. It can lead to liver failure. Keep xylitol products out of reach. Remember, check ingredients carefully. If you suspect ingestion, contact your vet or a hotline immediately. Just say no to xylitol.